basically scrambling trying to look for things. This bag's been sitting there for a while. Why don't we just open this bag, right? So, all these are from Cost Plus World Market. A lot of goodies. First thing, I love this tea. It's by Tranquebar. I don't know how you pronounce this brand. I have tasted their other flavor. This one is sea buckthorn and sunflower petals. So it's a black tea, and it has lemongrass, rosehip seed, funnel, lemon. They got that delicious like blend. So it's a fruit tea with black tea and herbs, and it smells really good from the outside. And look at this packaging. It has this elephant on top. Super cute, right? Everything is like paper. It has like these like cute little instruction how to brew the tea. How cute is this? You look at it, you just feel like your mind is soothed. This is like, your day is great. Life is good. So yeah, this product. Another tea by this brand. It's called King's Light. I love when they say a taste of Nordic life. So this is very like cool. This one's like a yellow packaging. Also it has the elephant on top. The blends are apple pomace, black tea, rosehip seed, rhubarb, sweet blackberry leaves. This smells so nice. This smells a little floral. I know it sounds weird, like floral, like herbal tea. It smells like light. Am I delusional? It has like a little jasmine smelling, but it has peppermint, natural flavoring, you know. Oh, it does have flowers, so this is another like delicious tea, I'm sure. I just love this brand, you know. It's black tea as well. Okay, let's talk about this thing. I don't remember what I bought. Let's open this. Ooh. This is a bottle of 70 incense sticks. It's kind of like a holographic. Wow, this is really cool. That smells so good. And the scent is jasmine. It's like, you know, aromatherapy. I totally believe in aromatherapy. I think if you're stressed about anything, or you just like, you come home, light a candle or light an incense, kind of purify your mind. Next, oh, this is the mug. This is such a holiday themed, just pretty mug. I'm a sucker for beautiful mugs, you know. I'm a sucker for beautiful things. Let's put it that way. This is, you can see all these like, it's kind of like engraved type of design, so you can feel the design. Like imagine yourself like just brewing yourself some hot tea, cup of joe, whatever that is, soup, right? It's a beautiful mug. And can you put it in the microwave? Yes, dishwasher and microwave safe. One key thing for mugs. If you can't put it into microwave or like dishwasher, why do you buy it? Anyways, so even the insiders, like little trims. I have these two soap, goat milk bar soap. So these two different like scent, I guess. One is almond scent with exfoliating almond meal. Okay, ever since my husband got me that goat milk hand cream, man, I'm obsessed with goat milk products. I think it's just so cool and it's very moisturizing. If you ever came across anything goat milk related, you know, definitely check them out and grab it and purchase it. And the other one is honey scent with exfoliating apricot shell. Leave your skin feeling soft and clean. I believe them. It's just like great product, right? I guess I'm also a sucker for anything goat milk. Oh, it's another tea. Okay. Ooh, I like this. This is actually, I didn't pay attention. This is like a limited edition of Downton Abbey. Their English rose tea. It's also by one of my favorite tea brands, the Republic of Tea. As a tea lover, one thing that you just keep doing and not realizing how like repetitive, you know, that pattern is. Or I guess I know, but I'm still doing it, you know. Anyways, what got me is not the picture. I mean, it's the packaging. I still love this whole like packaging with, you know, these three ladies elegantly standing there. Caffeine-free blossoms and raspberries. Ooh, that tastes so good. That sounds so good, right? Marked like limited edition. I don't know. I don't really care for like this kind of products. I like it says like 36 natural and bleached round tea bags. That's one of my favorite things from the Republic of Tea. You know, their tea bag is not the one with the string and with a little tag. It's a round little tea bag. You can just throw in your cup and then brew the tea. I'm sure this is gonna be delicious. I look forward to drinking this. Next, I have 2 bottles of truffle infused oil blend. That sounds delicious. Handcrafted in Napa, California. And I love food, period. So anything that's delicious would get me. The reason I got these 2 is small bottle, just cool. I like simple packaging and good ingredients. Truffle essence, white truffle essence. The ingredient is just white truffle essence. You know what? It's gonna be delicious. You can add it to your salad, pizza, you know, anything that's kind of your sauteed, like spinach. I don't know. It's gonna be great. So I bought 2. Okay, here's the Everyday Gourmet infused olive oil, Meyer lemon. This is cool too. It's such a small little like cute bottle. You can just put it in your salad or something. I don't know why I got it. Oh. Okay. I think the reason that I got it is when I was reading it, it said wonderful to use on the grill, mixed with your balsamic vinegars, create a quick dipping sauce. You know, sometimes I like making my own salad dressing or dipping sauce. So if you like put all these, like the truffle oil, truffle infused oil, and this infused olive oil, that'd be so delicious. You know, soap. I purchased so many soap. I mean, I love like body soap. Actually, earlier I just talked about those like goat milk infused, but I still have like all these soap. You know, I talk about so many body soap that I love. You know, like body wash. Whenever things that come into a little bottle, like plastic bottle, those are not too environmentally friendly. You know, it doesn't do good to the environment. So I just felt like soaps are better, you know, because soap, you use it, you finish it. There's no bottles, there's no plastic. So that's why I'm like, I spend more time looking for this soap. This one is grapefruit and tangerine, triple meal soap. Oh my god, this smells so good. That is the soap. And the packaging is beautiful. I love orange, the color. It's right up my alley. I just love this type of design. How cute the illustration of this like little rabbit. I love the fact that this one is paraben-free, gluten-free, vegetable base. Such a holiday season type of packaging. Smells so good. Smells so good. Okay, the last one, white jasmine. And they just like the beautiful fragrance of flowers. Wow, this one's like intoxicating, the scent. And one of those like scented, you know, fragrance bar, you know, when you feel like, okay, I'm gonna go on a date, or like this is when you're like getting date night ready. So you feel like I'm gonna make myself smell so good. This is definitely the soap that you want to use. Okay, all 3 of them I think it's made in Portugal, so that's really cool. I can't stop smelling these. Smells so good. Oh man. So yeah, those are the products, or those are the things that I purchased from Cost Plus World Market. And let's move on to the next bag. I try to speed this up, but anyways, the last bag. It's heavy and it's from Crate and Barrel. First thing. Okay. What's gonna be in there? Wow, look at this. Okay, it's a candle holder with a snowflake on top. So yeah, imagine the candles in there, all the lights coming through, all these like peeking through. I love it so much. I actually bought 2 of these. So oh, I know what this is. So normally I don't really shop kitchen stuff, but I think it's holiday season. The celery got me. I just started looking for kitchen stuff, you know, appliances and stuff. I feel like this is a good time to invest in some everyday appliances. And this stamp I'm opening is a colander, so it's for berries. You know, this is super cute. So this is a Cocoa Poly everyday cutting board made of recycled material. So I love the idea of, you know, kind of just making our environment more sustainable. You know, product contains ground coconut shells, a byproduct of the agricultural food industry. So I love the idea of it, and we start eating seafood, more seafood. I want a cutting board that's dedicated to, you know, just meat only. It's kind of like the grain. It's just very pretty white, almost like a little marble-ish type of design. This is one thing small thing that I can do, you know, just in daily life to help create less waste or less plastic, because this board is created by plastic. Trying to reduce, you know, the amount of plastic I already have. I have two things. Bowls. They're like similar but like with different color. When I first saw these two bowls, I'm like, I have to get these. You know, I'm obsessed with anything that's kind of minimalist. The Japanese ceramics, I love anything that's gonna make me feel like home, especially ceramics and bowls, plates. Sometimes I look at them and just like feel so happy to like look at them, you know, when I'm like cooking. I just appreciate the aesthetics, you know, of the beauty of things and how things are created. And you know, when I walk into Crate and Barrel, the staff, he was very nice. He said, oh, just so you know, today is the last day for 30% off. And I was like, 30% off? Thanks for telling me that. I asked my husband to grab a basket, and I'm like, I gotta take my time. I just realized I was like, I didn't really have that much time, so I was basically scrambling trying to look for things that I need. So that was just that, you know, every time there's a sale, it's gonna get me. So those are my recent purchases during the sale season. If you have anything that you would like to shop during the sale season, let me know in the comments below. Also, subscribe to my channel, and thanks for watching. I'll see you in my next one. Bye.